Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. Now, just to note that this is July 4th weekend, so the U.S. markets will be closed on Monday, July 5th. So I hope that you are able to have a safe and happy long weekend with your friends and family. Now, this morning we'll be looking at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, as well as the day's biggest gainers and losers. Just before we get into that, this is a reminder at 12:30 Eastern Standard Time today, Richard Allen and I will be doing a live stream of our Friday market recap. So make sure that you jump in so you can join the discussion on all the exciting things happening in the stock market this week. Okay, let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are slightly mixed this morning. We have the Dow futures down 0.02%, while the S&P 500 futures are up 0.02%. NASDAQ has rebounded from yesterday and is currently up 0.18%. In exciting news, space stock or Virgin Galactic is soaring after it was confirmed that Richard Branson will be taking his first flight on July 11th. Branson will be flying aboard the first fully crewed flight of its Spaceship Two spaceplane, and the flight is coming just 9 days before Bezos' first flight, which is scheduled for July 20th. The space stock already had a big jump back at the end of June after they received FAA approval to fly passengers. Now, this morning, they're up another 30% in the pre-market. Analysts do rate their stock a moderate buy with 4 buys, 5 holds, and 1 sell, but with the recent jump up in price, all of our price targets are now at a negative, so the average comes in with a downside of nearly 32%. Even our buy rating from a week ago has a downside of 19% currently. Tesla could set a record as the street estimates that they could report 200,000 in car deliveries in their Q2. This would be against the 184,800 delivered in their Q1. A survey by Bloomberg on 11 analysts signals for 204,160 car deliveries. Tesla's quarterly delivery reports are becoming a big deal as the market uses the numbers to weigh the demand for electric vehicles in the market. However, tight inventory and a global chip shortage have aroused concerns around the automaker's ability to ramp up car production. The strength of Q2 deliveries, especially out of China, will significantly sway Tesla's sentiments in the market. Always divided among analysts, the Tesla stock does come with an average downside of 10%. However, looking at our ratings from the last couple of days, they range from an upside of 32 to 47%. Hewlett-Packard has reached an agreement to acquire Zerto for $374 million. Zerto will accelerate Hewlett-Packard's research and development talent portfolio. It is also expected to expand HPE GreenLake cloud data services amid a push to help customers protect their data. Zerto's technology is best known for data mobility, disaster recovery, and backup. Additionally, these solutions help customers bounce back from ransomware and cyber attacks. The acquisition should close in Q4 and is expected to contribute about $130 million in run rate revenues. Their stock currently comes in as a hold with an average upside potential of 11%. The U.S. Air Force has awarded a missile system contract worth about $2 billion to Raytheon Technologies. The contract involves engineering, developing, and manufacturing the Long-Range Standoff Weapon, or LRSO. The Air Force plans to replace its aging air-launched cruise missile with the LRSO, which it calls a strategic weapon. Raytheon will build the LRSO in Tucson, Arizona, and is expected to be completed in 2027. Their stock currently comes in as a strong buy with an average upside potential of over 10%. Chemical products provider and ammunition manufacturer Olin Corporation has inked an agreement with Ashta Chemicals. This agreement will be to buy and sell chlorine produced at its Ashtabula factory. This agreement provides the opportunity to optimize logistics across the Olin and Ashta portfolio, reducing the number of miles chlorine travels to get to customers and overall transportation costs while increasing the security and flexibility of supply within the growing Olin network. The agreement also enables Ohio-based Ashta to stay focused on the production of potassium hydroxide, which is its key strength. The Olin stock does come in as a strong buy, and analysts have an average upside potential of nearly 27%. Now let's take a look at some notable earnings reports. Starting off with the Simply Good Foods Company, who outpaced analyst expectations with strong Q3 results. The company reported net sales of $284 million in their Q3, growing 32% from the year-ago period and beating analyst expectations of $244 million. The increase was driven by a healthy performance from Atkins and Quest. Adjusted earnings came in at 43 cents per share, beating the estimates of just 29 cents per share and increasing 65% year over year. Analysts are split down the middle here with 3 buys and 3 holds for an average upside of just 0.43%. However, we do have a couple that have come just this morning, ranging between 13 and 15% upside. We also heard from Acuity Brands, whose shares have actually dipped after they delivered better than expected Q3 results. Their net sales of $899.7 million surpassed Street's estimates of $839 million and jumped nearly 16% from the year-ago period. Their adjusted earnings came in at $2.77 per share, outpacing estimates of $2.27 and up 42% year-over-year. Analysts do rate the stock a moderate buy with an average upside of just over 6%. The rest of the day is quite quiet as far as earnings reports go, and the same to be said for the start of next week. Now, come July 13th, we start to see a lot more big names reporting, so looking forward to that. Now, let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Staffing 360 Solutions. Trading under the ticker STAF, they're currently up 56% in the pre-market. Followed by TAT Technologies under TATT, they're currently up 41%. And of course, Virgin Galactic under SPCE, now sitting up about 28%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Iterum Therapeutics. Trading under the ticker ITRM, they're currently down 37.5%. Followed by Alterity Therapeutics under ATHE, they're currently down 12%, but this was following a gain of 64% yesterday. And Berks and Mayers under BGI, currently down 11.5%, but again, following a gain of 29% yesterday. So that is everything for Friday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed before that opening bell. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you hit that thumbs up button and leave your thoughts in the comments down below, or just say good morning. I always love hearing from you guys. Don't forget to stop by our live stream at 12:30 Eastern Standard Time to join the discussion on all of the week's happenings. And don't forget that the market is closed here on Monday, celebrating the 4th of July. So have a happy and safe weekend, everyone. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you back here next time.